it's been a while. I have not done a book talks and baking in, gosh, I don't know, a very long time. But one of our subscribers suggested a book and I was able to get it on hold from the library, and it came in as an audiobook, which is not something I've done for a very long time. I've not listened to a book on, I was gonna say tape. I haven't listened to a book on tape. Wow, I guess I am that old. I am that old. I haven't listened to an audiobook in ages, but it was a lovely book, and it's called Mastering the Art of French Murder by Colleen Cambridge. The cover looks like a Julia Child's recipe book, which if you're a nerd like me, that was pretty darn cool. Of course, it's a murder mystery, which I love a good murder mystery, and it is a cozy murder mystery, which means bad stuff happens off stage. You don't have to read or hear any gore, so I like that. It's a post-World War II mystery featuring Julia Child and her best American friend from Detroit. Our main character is best friends with Julia Child. She meets her when she goes to France to visit her grandpère, her grandpa, and her uncle, and they've just become the bestest of friends. Our main character Tabitha and her best friend Julia Child discover a dead body, and I don't want to give it away. You'll just have to read it yourself. But Tabitha is just an average person. She was a Rosie the Riveter. She's from Detroit, Michigan. She's half French, but she's not a detective. And so she tries to protect Julia's sister from being arrested, and Julia herself from being arrested, and herself. She ends up being a suspect as well. She does the author, it's not Julia Cambridge, but Miss Cambridge, the author, does a lovely job describing Paris, the buildings, the food. If you want to just be immersed in French culture, I think she does a great job. And I listened to it on audiobook, like I said. The narrator was Polly Lee, and she did such a good job with all the different characters that it was like I had a play just going on in my head. It was so cool. She did such an amazing job. No one sounded exactly alike. It was really cool. I'm telling you, y'all need to go read this book. It's so good. And of course, this is Book Talks and Baking. So I'm going to attempt, it's not baking, it is making food. I'm going to attempt to make Julia Child's mayonnaise recipe. Oh, mayonnaise. I'm from the Midwest. I have a hick accent. We call it mayonnaise. So I'm going to try to make this mayonnaise recipe. And so Julia, throughout the book, is trying to solve a mystery of her own, and it's how to make perfect mayonnaise. So, if I fail, it's okay. Julia failed a lot. I mean, she even tried certain color of eggs just to see if maybe that is why she couldn't get her mayonnaise right. But let's go ahead, let's try it. Let's see if I can make some mayonnaise. So I think the key to making this mayonnaise is that you need room temperature eggs, almost warm eggs, and the bowl that you use needs to be warm as well. So before I'm putting my ingredients in the bowl, I have had it sitting in almost boiling hot water. It's tap water, but our tap water gets so hot that it's almost boiling. Okay, to start off with, I need 3 egg yolks, and I beat them until they are thick and sticky. So here we go. Here are my egg not whites, here are my egg yolks. Whew. My arm hurts. Ouch! Julia Child! So I'm going to whisk these eggs. Okay, and now I need a tablespoon of lemon juice. Okay, so it says to add my lemon juice and whisk for another 30 seconds. Although, it does, you can use the lemon juice, or you can use white wine vinegar. I don't have any white wine vinegar. I do have lemons on hand, so lemons it is. And I stopped counting. Has it been 30 seconds, guys? So now it's time to add the oil, and it goes in very slowly, drop by drop, and I have to continuously, if my arm's already hurting, it has to go in. I have to keep beating it continuously without stop until it's all incorporated. All right, let's go. Oh, and it's 1.5 cups of olive oil. This is my first time to make mayonnaise, so I love mayonnaise. I don't know if I'll like it after I make it, we'll see. Oh my gosh, okay, I think I got it. Whew, I think I got it. Okay. Instructions say that your beating arm can rest a moment. Oh, I think it needs to. I've discovered I'm very much a wimp. Oh. This is what it looks like right now. Okay, now I add 2 tablespoons of boiling hot water. And salt to taste. There's my mayonnaise. I think it needs some more salt. I forgot to put my mustard in. Maybe that's why it tasted black. Let's see if I can add mustard afterwards and see how it tastes. If not, I can always try again some other time. A little bit more salt. Here it is now. Let's try it. Much better! The mustard helps. Don't forget the mustard. That's delicious. I have a giant bowl of mayonnaise. Maybe I should boil up some potatoes and make some potato salad for Memorial Day. That's all I have for today. Guys, if you haven't read the book, read the book. Let me know what you think of my mayonnaise. if I did okay. And give me a like if you liked it. Subscribe if you haven't already. Guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.